Hey family, it's Alex again. Today, we're going to show you how to hook up your water pipe to a SideKick Vaporizer. First, take out the standard mouthpiece. Next, choose your adapter. We have several here. We have a bubbler, we have 180 degrees, and we have 120. We're going to be using the 120 degree today. Next, load up your SideKick just as you normally would and fire that baby up. It's time to get super sconed with some super cool water vapor.
And while your SideKick's heating up, don't forget to be yourself, because everyone else is taken.
Well, I'm Alex with ELEV8, and thanks for stopping by. If there's anything else you'd like to see us do, please let us know in the comments. And don't forget, tap that little tiny fucking button. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.